Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to get fan group badge. Right, so it's very easy. As you can see right here, I joined this fan group and I have a fan badge, so I can choose to wear this fan badge or remove the fan badge. So once I tap on this group icon right here, I wear my badge. If I tap on it again to remove, right, I prefer wearing it. So let me show you how you can get a fan group badge. It's very easy, so let's get started. Now the first step to take guys is to join a group on Bigo Live. You have to join a fan group on Bigo Live. So how can you do that? All you have to do is to go to your home page and click on the Discover tab at the top of your screen and then search for fan group. Then you see tons of relevant communities to join, so click on the more option and you see tons of communities to join. So I'm going to click on one of this one, so I'll click on join. Yeah, I'll join this one as well, and then I'll head back. So I'll go back to my profile, so click on the me icon at the bottom right corner and head to your profile, and then click on the person icon at the top right corner of your screen. Yeah, this will take you to your profile. Now these are the profiles, the fan group I've joined on Bigo Live, just 4. So what I just have to do is to open one of them, and then I'll go to the live section of these ones, and then I'm going to open one of these live. So these are all live. These are all people who are going live right now on Bigo. Alright, so I'm on Bigo in the fan group. Alright, so I'm going to open one of these, and then I must gift them. So you have to send gifts to them. So once you send gift to them, immediately you get the option to join fan group. Alright, so if you join the fan group, then automatically you have the privilege to get fan badge. Alright, so that's it. So that's how you can get fan badge. So if you want to see your fan badge, all you have to do guys is to click on the me icon at the bottom of your screen, and then scroll down to fans group option right here, tap on it, and you see your fan badge right here. So that's it. So you can choose to remove it at any time by clicking on manage and tapping on it just like that. By clicking on select all at the bottom left corner, and then click on quit. So it's that simple guys. That's how you can do it. So hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to get fan badge on Bigo Live. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.